Evaluate the integral pi over 4 in the upper limit, pi over 12 in the lower limit. This is 2 cos 2x dx. It is in the bracket. Option A minus 1 over 2. Option B minus 1. Option C 1 over 2. Option D 1. JAM 1992/41. Solution. I have integral pi over 4. I have integral 2 cos 2x dx. And here pi over 12 in the lower limit. In the upper limit, pi over 4. So total, I have integral 2 cos 2x dx. So what do I do? What do I do? And I'm asking myself again, what do I do? This is 2 integral, bring this to our side. Pi over 4, pi over 12 cos 2x dx. You say, let u equal to 2x. Next step, you know the story. Differentiate u with respect to x. That is du dx equal to 2. What do? Cross multiply. When you do that, you have du is equal to 2 dx. Make dx subject of formula. That is the next step. When you do that, you have dx is equal to du over 2. Next step, substitute u, substitute ds 2s dx for u and what you have there. So it will be 2 integral pi over 4 pi over 12. Is that correct? Pi over 12 cos u du over 2. So anywhere you see 2s, replace it with u. Anywhere you see the s, replace it with du over 2. Next step, factor out. Factor out the constant. Factor out the what? Constant. You know you have 2 here, this side. Then times constant is 1 over 2. The constant coming there, 1 over 2 integral pi over 4 pi over 12 cos u du. Did you get? Good. So this will be 2 over 2 integral pi over 4 pi over 12 cos u du. When you do that, this one is already 1. 1 is there. You just have 1 integral pi over 4 pi over 12 cos u du. Now, next step, integral of cos u. Remember I told you integral of cos u will give you sine u. Do you understand now? You have 1 times sine is sine. You have sine u, 1 times sine u, then vertical sign indicating upper limit and lower limit. Pi over 12. So here we have sine u pi over, what am I writing 12 here? Pi over 4 pi over 12. That is the upper limit. So you say sine, what is our u? 2x pi over 4 pi over 12. Upper limit minus lower limit is the next step to take in order to find your final answer. So here will be sine 2x minus sine 2x is sine 2 into bracket, upper limit pi over 4 minus sine 2 into bracket, lower limit pi over 12. So this sine 2 pi over 4 minus sine 2 pi over 12. 2 can divide. You understand that? So you have sine 2 here 1, that is pi over 2. Then this sine pi over 6, 2 can go. Here will not contain the final answer, I hope you know. Remember that we say but pi is equal to 180. So pi over 2 is equal to 90. Is equal to 90. And pi over 6 is equal to 30. That is 180. This one now is 180 divided by 2 will give you 90. And this one now is 180 divided by 6 will give you 30. Did you understand? So where am I going to put the final answer? Oh, clean here, Abby? The correct clean where? This one? No. I want to, good morning. I want to stay there. The answer is 1 over 2. The answer is this, 1 over 2. So let me show you how I will clean. I don't want to clean the steps. Now listen. Remember I told you something here. So that means I have to bring those things I did there. Remember I told you that pi is equal to 180. That is 180 divided by 2. That is how I got that 90 there. That's why I said that pi is equal to 90. Do you understand now? And the other one I said 180 divided by 6, 30. So that's why I said here pi. That's why I said that pi over 2 is equal to 90. And pi over 6 is equal to 30. What I did over there. Do you understand? So now, remember I have sine pi over 2 minus sine pi over 6. So sine 90 is equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1. And why sine 30 is equal to sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2. Sine 30 is equal to what? Confirm that. Is equal to what? 1 over 2. 0.5 is 1 over 2. So what do? Find LCM, right? Find LCM. 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. So LCM now will be what? 2. 2 divided 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2 minus 2 divided 2, 1. 1 times 1, 1. You now have 1 over 2. So have you seen why I marked the answer? The answer is option C, 1 over 2. Do you understand? I didn't want to clean the steps so that you see where we started and where we ended. Do you understand? So see you in my next class.